Are you thinking that Suzanne and I have now got someone to operate the camera so that we can both be in shot? But wait, we haven't. We're Paul and Suzanne, and we'd love you to join us on our days out. A couple of weeks ago, it was my birthday, and one of my presents was this. Wouldn't it be nice sometimes to be able to have a shot that looks as if somebody's filming it for you? So as you walk towards the camera, it pans around with you. Well, this apparently can do that. So let's give it a try and see how it turns out. I'll film it filming us, and hopefully you should see it turning. There we go. Very impressive. Right, I hadn't carried a full height tripod around with me, but of course you can use other things, and for that shot, higher up slightly, I put it on top of this, I don't know if it's some sort of bird box, I don't know, but yeah, it's sitting up there and it seems to work perfectly. So let's take a closer look. Now it's not an unboxing because obviously I've had it open already, but in the box you get the small unit itself, you get a USB Type-C charge cable, you get the small remote control unit, and you get an instruction manual. And to be quite honest with you, there's not a lot of information in that. So like a few people I'm aware of, I've stopped using the GoPro camera for a vlogging camera due to its unreliability and the way it kept locking up. Now I'm not talking about the GoPro 10, but it has been a problem for years with the constant turning on and off. So I now use the Osmo Action. But I have found that the Hero 7 that I've got works perfectly on this Telesin pan and tilt unit that we're looking at here. So what I've done is I've just made up this little case to keep it in, to carry around with me so that I have it all the time. So we have the GoPro Hero 7, the Telesin pan and tilt unit, two microphones, whichever I decide to use, the charging cables, and this quite solid little tripod. It does also attach to a larger tripod, but just for the sake of showing you it here, this is how it goes together. So you've got the unit which you connect to the tripod, and then the GoPro sits on the top of that, like so. Now obviously you want the camera pointing to the front, the same as the sensor there. Just connect up the, and for the sake of this demonstration I'll just put on the large microphone. There we are, just connect it up. And then of course plug in the microphone. And there you go. I just want to check that that's all in shot, so I just need to adjust the tripod slightly, and there you have it. That's the unit. Now as I said, you just press and hold the on-off button and you'll get the little blue light comes on the front of the unit there, and it's ready to go. Press it again, press it again, there you go, and then it will start to follow. So it's locked onto me here, and if I move around here it'll follow, as you can see there. And that is how the unit works, and it's ready to go. Of course you do start your camera, and that's it. And so here it is panning 360 degrees to the left, and then we'll pan it 360 degrees to the right, all controlled with the remote control unit, which we'll go into a bit more detail in a moment. So here we are, showing my man cave, where I also have my editing suite. So let's just demonstrate the little remote control unit that comes with the unit. On the side here there is a little on-off button, so you just slide that to on and then quite simply point it at the unit, and then you can override the automatic follow, as you can see, and pan left and pan right, just using the little thing here. You can also, by pressing this bottom part of the this little ring you can see here, press the bottom part of it and it will just do a 360 degree and keep going like that, which is good in some filming circumstances. And then press the top one and it'll go back the other way. The bottom button here, if you press that, you can stop it at any time and then start it again, of course. That button there, I'm getting confused here. So there you go. So you can set any camera, and it does take a number of cameras, DSLR cameras, the video camera, the Canon I have, you can probably see in the background there, which I'll demonstrate in a moment. But yeah, you can have various cameras on it and set it up in the scenario where you just want it to follow, which is the favorite one for me. Or, as I say, with the little remote control here, you can override it and you can get a nice smooth pan. So if you set your Canon video camera up, for example, on your larger tripod, and you've got a scenic area you want to pick up, for example, well, you can just use this and do a nice pan either way. Or, as I said, you can do it so it'll just keep going 360 degrees. So would I recommend it? Yes, I would. We've used it for a few days now in various scenarios, hasn't let us down at all, and as an extra to the arsenal to go along with the drone, to get B-roll in particular, it's perfect. Has various uses, as I've just tried to show. So yes, I'll leave a link at the bottom of the video, and if you're interested you can go along and get it. Anyway, if you enjoy the video, consider subscribing, give us a like and a comment, and all the comments will be answered. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. I was getting confused with you there as well. That's it. Oh, now I'm going to come backward. Just go straight past. I'm going to put it down over here. Just want it to see you.